Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is the third sprint, 30 videos. Crazy, right? A lot of stuff has been done. So what went well, what could have been improved, and what will we commit to in the next sprint? I'd like to hear from you guys, and I will see you soon. Alright, so instead of doing what went well first, I'm going to do what could have been improved. I get a lot of direct messages on YouTube and on Reddit. People ask me, how do I do this? Where can we move from here? Where's the warehouse? You know, how would I construct this, do that? And my response is like, oh, just let me get to the table creation. Once I get the table creation, I can branch out. I'll allow the system to generate itself in one series and start using it in another. And I was trying to push really hard this sprint to get there. And that was a huge mistake. I need more patience. There are several things that I messed up because I was pushing through. One of them cost me my code base, which is what's fair is fair, right? So yeah, that's what I think could have been improved is more patience, more focus. What went well? I got some feedback from you guys, and you were talking about, hey, I wish you could explain in greater detail what's going on with the data. So with the last two videos, reached out to them directly, and that is exactly what they wanted. So what will I commit to in the next sprint is more focus. We're going to play the straight and narrow. I do have some things planned that I'll talk about in a little bit, but the videos are going to kind of get longer. You're going to see a lot more one part, two parts, so I can explain the data so people can understand what is happening, and then if they choose to, can create the code for themselves rather than doing, trying to combine everything or things like that. Just like, oh, hey, I'm just going to talk through this, or we're just going to add data. That visual representation, they said, really helped. So that's what I will commit to, doing more of those, which sometimes creates longer videos. For planning, on the straight and narrow, I have 4 videos that I'm planned right now. We are, like we did with the views, like we did with the defaults, we are going to do the same thing for indexes, for clustered, non-clustered, and unique indexes. And then triggers. We need to get our triggers on our views. So actually exact same concept with the definitions table, linking to data sets this time instead of data point types. So that'd be pretty interesting to see how that goes. Actually, data set types instead of data point types. And then I did plan out 4 other videos, but if something comes up, I want to make sure that I take that path. I do have that table creation on this sprint, but like I said, patience. And that's what I'm going to focus on to make sure that I've made the complete circle, because I can't create the procedures, the change management procedures, until I have a table creator, because we need to use the table creator for history and archive. So it's kind of this loop that we're in. Once we get the table creator, we can move into the procedures, and then when we change data, it'll actually store in the archive and history tables. So that would be fun. So yeah, been doing good so far. We'll say 300 minutes, give or take, divided by 60, a little under, that's 480. Crap. Well, 5 hours. Not bad. We have a lot done in 5 hours. I know it doesn't translate like that, but it's good. I'll believe that. Thank you once again for watching and everything, and the subscriptions and the comments, the direct messages. I mean, don't be afraid to comment. That's the thing. You can send me personal messages. I don't mind. I wish I could put them in the public facing, atmosphere or whatever, because they're good questions, good conversations, but that's up to you, and I won't breach that trust. So thank you again, and I will see you next sprint, and we're going to get some stuff done.